Piano practice can be fun too. Most people don't really want to learn to play the piano or practice the piano. They just want to play piano. Play sounds like fun. Practice sounds like a chore. We get this image from childhood. Some kids stuck indoors practicing scales while all the other kids are outside the window playing. So, first thing we need to do is to see our piano practice in a new light. See it as a way of accelerating the learning process so that soon you'll be able to play piano and play it well. If you don't practice and you just play old familiar tunes, you move rather slowly. Yes, you'll get better at playing those old familiar tunes, but technically you won't be pushing yourself to greater heights. Proper, structured piano practice helps you stride forwards. I say proper because a lot of people have an idea that practice is just playing songs over and over. Practice needs to involve uncharted territory. The golden rule is, practice what you can't play, not what you can play. Join over 200,000 students worldwide and click the link below.